Have you ever been stuck in traffic and noticed those tiny black dots around the edge of your car's windshield? They're everywhere. Almost every modern car has them. You've seen them hundreds, maybe thousands of times. But have you ever stopped and wondered why they're there? Most people assume they're decorative. Others think they're part of the manufacturing process. Some even believe they're connected to the car's electronics. But the truth is much more surprising. Without those tiny black dots, your windshield might not stay securely attached to your car for very long. And that's only the beginning of the story. Welcome to Think Behind Things, the channel where ordinary things reveal extraordinary secrets. To understand the dots, we need to go back several decades. Before modern cars, windshields weren't glued into place. Instead, they were held in using thick rubber seals. The system worked, but it had problems. The rubber could crack, it could leak, and as cars became faster and more aerodynamic, those bulky seals became outdated. Engineers needed something better. So manufacturers started bonding windshields directly to the vehicle using powerful adhesives. The new design was stronger, quieter, and safer, but it created one major problem: the sun. The adhesive holding the windshield in place is incredibly strong, but ultraviolet light slowly breaks it down over time. If sunlight constantly reached the adhesive, it could eventually weaken its grip on the glass. Automakers needed a way to permanently protect it. And the solution is hiding in plain sight, that black border around the edge of your windshield. Engineers call it a frit. It's not a sticker. It's not paint. It's actually a ceramic coating baked directly into the glass at extremely high temperatures. The frit blocks harmful UV rays before they can reach the adhesive underneath. It also helps the glue bond more securely to the glass, and as a bonus, it hides the messy adhesive from view. Mystery solved. Right? Not quite. Because the black border isn't the real mystery. The real mystery is the dots. If the solid black border does the job, why not stop there? Why gradually fade into hundreds of tiny dots? The answer comes down to heat. When windshields are manufactured, they're heated inside giant ovens and shaped into their final curved form. Here's the problem. Black surfaces absorb heat much faster than clear glass. That means the black border becomes significantly hotter than the transparent area beside it. If there were a sharp transition between the two, the temperature difference could create stress inside the glass. That stress can cause distortion, and distortion can ruin an entire windshield. Engineers needed a way to make the temperature change more gradual. That's where the dots come in. The dots create a smooth transition between the hot black border and the cooler clear glass. Instead of an abrupt change, the temperature shifts gradually across the surface. This helps prevent warping and keeps the windshield perfectly shaped. A surprisingly clever solution for something most people never notice. But there's one final secret. Look behind your rear-view mirror. You'll often find another cluster of black dots. That section helps block sunlight from slipping through the small gap between the driver and passenger sun visors. In other words, those dots aren't just protecting the windshield, they're helping protect your eyes too. So the next time you're sitting in traffic and your eyes wander toward those tiny black dots, you'll know the truth. They're not decoration, they're not random, and they're definitely not there by accident. They're protecting the adhesive, controlling heat, preventing distortion, and helping make your drive a little safer. All from a detail most people never even notice. And that's exactly what we do here on Think Behind Things, finding the hidden reasons behind the things you see every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.